This video is used to show how to mine Bytecoin with Minergate. First, you go to minergate.com and then click on Downloads. Then download the client for the operating system that you're using. I'm using Mac OS, so I'm going to download the Mac client. But it's the same process if you're using Windows or Linux. Double-click to open the installer and then install it onto your system. After you have it installed, then just run the program and then log in using your email. Make sure to spell this correctly or else it won't go to the right account. The Minergate GUI client is super easy to use. You can choose which currency to mine, and in this case we're going to mine Bytecoin. And since I'm using my MacBook Pro, which only has CPUs, I'm going to select the number of CPUs that I want to use. But if you're using separate graphics cards, then you can select which graphics cards and how many GPU cores to use. Then when you're done with your options, just click Start Mining. Just like that, you'll be mining Bytecoin or the cryptocurrency of your choice. Be sure to check your Minergate account to make sure that your shares are registering, and you should be good to go. Happy mining!